Stage manager, stamped addressed envelope, starting point, state of repair, statement of claim, statement to the contrary, statesman-like action, statesman-like manner, station master, statutory power, steam navigation company, steamship lines, step by step, still longer, strict letter of the law, strictly confidential, structural alterations, structural repairs, struggle for existence, stumbling block, subjudice, subject to correction, subscribed capital, subscription list, suffice it to say, superintendent of police, superintendent of prisons, supplementary expenditure, supplementary vote, supply and demand. Suppose for a moment, Supreme Court, surplus balance, surplus profits, surveyor's report, survival of the fitness, suspense account, table of contents, take exception, take it for granted, take stock, take the necessary action, take the necessary steps, take the place of, take as read, take in hand, take into account, tariff barriers, tariff reductions, tariff reform, technical education, technical institute, technical matter, technical nature, technical point, technical school, technical terms, telegraph clerk, telegraphic address, telephone conversation, telephone message, telephone communication, telephone operator, telephone service, temporary measure, temporary premises, tenure of office, terms of the contract, thanking you in anticipation, that goes without saying, that the director's report, that the director's reports and accounts, then and there are several other points. There can be no doubt. There can be no question. There can be no reason why.